Electronic Stability Program (ESP), Dynamic Stability Control (DSC), used by BMW and Jaguar, and traction control are crucial safety systems preventing loss of control during braking, acceleration, or cornering. ESP applies individual brakes to prevent skidding. DSC integrates traction control for finer adjustments. Traction control prevents wheel spin by reducing engine power or applying brakes. Warning lights like the ESP off icon illuminate when the system detects a fault. This could be due to low battery voltage, dirty or damaged sensors, software glitches, or temporary system errors. Modern vehicles from 2015 onward typically require an OBD2 scanner to reset ESP, DSC, and traction control warning lights. The OBD2 port is usually located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. Its position can vary by vehicle manufacturer, so check your owner's manual. Connect the OBD2 scanner to this port to begin the diagnostic process. Use the scanner to read any diagnostic trouble codes related to ESP, DSC, or traction control systems. For example, code C1201 indicates a traction control malfunction. Once you've identified the codes, use the scanner's clear function to reset the system. After clearing the codes, start the engine to verify that the warning light has turned off. If the light remains, there may be an underlying issue requiring professional attention. Many newer vehicles, especially EVs and hybrids, offer remote reset capabilities via OEM apps. These apps allow you to reset the system after confirming no underlying issues. For example, the My BMW app lets BMW owners reset DSC remotely after checking for any issues. Subaru Starlink integrates ESP resets into its connected services for easy remote access. Tesla's full self-driving software version 13, released in late 2025, includes automated ESP resets directly through the vehicle's app, making it even easier for owners. In mid-2025, Tesla recalled 500,000 Model 3 vehicles for ESP false alarms caused by software glitches. Owners were able to reset the warning lights using the Tesla app, but this highlighted the risks of over-relying on digital reset methods. Some users experienced incomplete resets that led to stability loss during winter driving, demonstrating that resets aren't always enough to address underlying issues. Resets are often temporary fixes for minor issues. Persistent warning lights indicate deeper problems such as corroded wiring, faulty ABS modules, or sensor failures. Be cautious with electric vehicles due to high-voltage components. DIY resets may not be safe. Always check for underlying issues after a reset. If the warning light persists after attempting resets, or if you notice any unusual behavior in your vehicle's handling, consult a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose the root cause and perform necessary repairs. According to expert mechanic Eric O. from YouTube's South Main Auto, blind resets are not advisable. Code readers help avoid safety risks.